If you happen to have a microwave, it's a quick way perhaps to cook one serving. If there's one member of your family who likes porridge, or you're living alone, it's perhaps an alternative way to do it. We can cook it right in the bowl that we're going to eat it out of so that we don't have that pot to wash. Now the proportions for Red River cereal, which is a multigrain cereal, are 1 to 3. So for one serving, the box tells us that it's 3/4 of a cup of water and 1/4 of a cup of Red River cereal. A tad of salt, just to pick up the flavor, and then we stir it, and we're going to put it in the microwave. I'm putting it on a dish. You'll see later, you take it out. Sometimes this will get hot. Not that the dish itself conducts the microwaves, but it's the porridge as it gets hot transfers the heat to here, and then when you pick it up, you'll find that it's very hot. We're going to set the power level a little lower than high. Grain foams like it did in the oatmeal pot. So power will go to 8. And time, we'll give it, it has 6 minutes. And we start. We're just going to let it cook away, and then we'll stir it, then we cook it some more. And I want to just show you why I use power 8. We can't see it through the screen, but when you use power high, it will all foam up and foam out and over because your power is too high. Just like we turn down the power on the stove on the element, we must turn it down here. When it starts to cook, it will come up. When it hits 8, it will go down. The power will come on again, it comes up. When it goes off, for those 2 seconds, it will come down, so on. That's what 8 power means. 8 power, or 7 power, or 6 power, just takes it down from high. High power is on all the time. 8 power means it's on 80% of the time and off the other 20%. So you want to learn to regulate your microwave. Halfway through the cooking, we'll open the door and just give it a stir. Shut the door again and resume cooking. Oh, it's done. 1 serving. There we are. 2 kinds of cereals. This cereal costs about 11 cents for that amount, and this serving costs about 6 cents. Even though they're wonderful nutritionally, both cereals, this one is a little more expensive. Remember that box that it was in? This one is completely rolled oats. This one is no oats in it at all. It's made from multigrains like rye and wheat and flax. However, there's no sugar in these, and you might enjoy, and I know you will enjoy, a little bit of brown sugar put on the top. That's 1 teaspoon is about 5 grains. We can put on a little bit of sugar, no problem. And put on some milk. The milk completes the protein in the grain. The grain protein is a weak protein. And when you put a strong protein with it, like milk or meat or cheese, it makes the weak protein stronger. So you are getting an excellent, excellent meal by having cereal with milk, your fruit juice, 3 food groups represented.